Hi, this is Test-Driven Web Application Development with Ember by Pack Publishing. My name is Alston Fernandez and I develop applications in both Ember and Rails, and I use both the technologies in applications which are developed as microservices as well as monoliths. In this course, we will build an Ember application to browse, add and check out products from a web shop. We will build our application entirely on the client side by using Ember CLI Mirage to fake an API server. We will begin with setup and templating, in which we will set up our application using the Bootstrap framework, and we will also install the Ember CLI Mirage add-on and learn to define factories. In advanced modeling, we will have a look at polymorphic relationships and reflexive relationships. Then we will have a look at building services in Ember, in which we will create a shopping cart service which will enable us to add items to our cart as well as to delete them and to check out our order. We will also use components in our application to make our application respond to events and provide a powerful interface to the user. And lastly, we will look at customizing our app to use with various backends. Although Ember defaults to JSON API specification, we can always use custom serializers and adapters to make Ember work with a variety of server backends. The requirements for this course are working knowledge of HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Optionally, it would be good to know SCSS as well, and a good understanding of the command line. It is also good to know or have basic knowledge of Ember and Ember CLI, ES6, Git, and also an understanding of REST architecture. So let us get started with building Supercart using Ember 2.